When you're out there, or even out here, or here, safety is everything. The Sabre Red Twist Lock Pepper Spray from the #1 brand used by police will help give you the confidence to enjoy every moment with peace of mind. Sabre sprays 3 times longer versus the competition and reaches 12 to 14 feet for protection against multiple threats at a safer distance. With UV marking dye to help police identify suspects. Twist lock safety, which prevents accidental discharge. A key case with finger grip for faster, easier, and more accurate aim. Available in key ring, quick release keychain, and snap clip keychain versions. And with an industry-exclusive in-house testing lab, Sabre guarantees its maximum strength formula in every product. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, the Sabre Twist Lock Pepper Spray helps give you the confidence to live life your way. Sabre, make it safe.